We are simply so much interested in doing long term investments. We think that after 10 years or 20 years or after 30 years, we are going to get a great amount of money. And that time we shall have become happy. But there are some don'ts also about this fact. After a very long period of time, your age will also have increased, and that craze what you are feeling right now will not be the same at that period of the time. It can be good, of course, for youths aged around 20 years, because after 20 years around, when they will have come to their 40s, then they will get an amount, and definitely they can make a use of it. And it is good for children also, because when they will have become youths, then that amount of money what they will get after the completion of the time period of the investment, then they can use that money. But there is a little problem too. Remember some facts also. See, when your children and also you get a big amount of money, then what do you think you are really going to use it perfectly? In most of the cases, misuse of the money is found to be taking place. And it brings laziness also in the children. When your children will get that amount, or through you also, when they will get that richness, they will come to a point that they do not have to earn much now, because they already have such a great amount of money, and now they can just enjoy. And in this way, laziness definitely takes place in their life. And money can never buy happiness. This is a very common fact. Money buys opportunities, no doubt, but it never buys happiness. And this is now dependent on you, whether how you use those opportunities in your life. If you misuse those opportunities, then definitely you are not going to get that ultimate goal which is really there in our life. So we have to be careful about such facts also. Happiness is actually our nature by birth. It does not have to be purchased anywhere. Money is a medium for purchasing things, not emotions. Emotions are maintained or fulfilled or flourished only by love. And remember, love is never dependent on money. But still remember the fact that I do not want to say you should not do investments. Definitely you should do investments. But remember a thing, that you should be focused on your present time, not on the future. Long-term investment breaks your nature into 2 points, present and future. And when your emotion or your attention is broken into 2 points, then definitely you are not focused on your present time. And this way, your happiness will also be disturbed. Future never comes. Well, my final conclusion is, despite your investment, always focus on the present time, not on the future. Because when you are focused on the present, then you are simply into your normal nature, which is there, you found after your birth. Future has not yet come, and past has already been spent or gone. But the present is always there, what we can really enjoy. So if you do investments like that in any index or mutual funds or any companies, this or that, but remember, You do not have to break your attention from the present and do not focus it on the future to get a big amount of money and then you will start enjoying the life, this and that. All those things are just imaginations. Remember it. You never know the time of your life or the time of the death too. Life is always a suspense. We know our present day, but we don't know even the tomorrow. What to say about 10 years or 20 years? That is definitely just an imagination. So it is important to come out of the imagination and try to live into the reality so that you can really enjoy your normal nature, which is happiness actually. So you can do investments, no problem, and can earn money, but always be focused on the present, not on the future.